Well, welcome everyone to Puerto Egas. We are located at the western side of Santiago. Our highlights for today will be cellular for crabs, marine iguanas, and hopefully a close-up for the first seals. These are different than the Galápagos sea lions we've seen everywhere. We are very familiar with the ones from California, but these guys are very different. These are fur seals. As you can see, this one has external ears and also front flippers in the way that they can walk. So this actually is a sea lion. Oh, there are no young ones here. They are actually mommies and daddies. I think there is a big daddy in the middle, and most of them are females. They are very small in contrast with a big sea lion. Look at the picture right there. Look at the face. Longer whiskers, tiny little snout, bigger eyes, and they have 2 layers of hair. Now, that's a fur coat, right? And so, could you imagine having a fur coat sunning at the beach under the Ecuadorian sun, right? So that's why these guys prefer to live in crevasses, on rocks. You know, this is the American oyster catcher. Right now it's nesting, and hopefully within 10, 15 days, 20 days, we will have a little 2 eggs, 2 chicks, and hopefully they both survive. So we're gonna keep an eye on this guy. This is the time of the year where the season's changing and there is a lot of mating, a lot of behavior because food is coming in different ways. Welcome to the Galápagos. This is a Galápagos flycatcher. Only in the Galápagos, no?
So cute.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello. Can I help you with something?
Do you have any questions?